I'll take a bottle of water. Hey guys, so we are on our boat ride. This is my first boat ride, but Beast Luke has rowed the boat before. He's kind of rowed the boat before. Yeah, he done been on a boat a couple of times. He has lived life, okay? I'm the one that's a virgin to everything. Thank you. So we are out in sea. No, we're not on sea. Out in sea, are we? Where we at?
It's an intercoastal waterway, but I don't think we're going.
But yeah, we're here with my dad and my stepmom and family. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this evening. Today rather. I think we're gonna be on here for 6 hours or whatever, and I think we're gonna be stopping at 2 beaches. So I am excited, you guys.
We'll motor until we get out into the inlet and see what kind of wind we got.
Ooh, it feels so good. I got to use the bathroom. Hunter, you finish your water? Huh?
It's pretty much, yeah.
I need me some lip gloss on. Y'all will not believe that I just got seasick. I am on land. The boat stopped, so I feel much better. I felt myself getting nauseous. I felt like myself getting lightheaded. Oh, and I didn't have anything to eat all morning long. Silly of me. So luckily the boat stopped like 30 minutes ago, and I was able to get a turkey wrap, which got a turkey wrap right here. I ate most of it, and a chocolate chip cookie. And I felt almost like my sugar was dropping. Like I was feeling like I couldn't get my wits about myself. But now that we're on land, I ate a little bit of the sandwich. And I ate the chocolate chip cookie. I can feel my energy level getting back up to where it needs to be. But oh my God, if we hadn't stopped, y'all, I think I would have been puking all over that boat. So I'm feeling much better now. But it is so beautiful. But other than that, I am having a really good time. And I don't even know where we at. We a place called Beaufort. I guess we're in North Carolina. I don't know. We're in North Carolina, South Carolina. I don't know. I guess we're in North Carolina. I don't know. My dad is still on the boat. Be Smooth still on the boat. I had to get off. I'm sitting out here. Oh, y'all, that was like the worst feeling ever. But it's beautiful out here. You guys can see that. I lost my hat like 3 times. And the wind is definitely blowing. And my husband was like, well, I hope you got that wig taken down, because that hat shows on. The hat blew off twice already. But the wig ain't going nowhere, because I got this thing taken out real good, okay? And I got the band, and I got a few hair bobby pins, so this wig ain't going nowhere. But this hat might go. The hat can go. As long as the cap, my hair cap is off, we good. So, we on land. I ain't never been so happy to get back on land. It don't make no sense. We're just out here chilling. I don't know how long we're gonna be on land, but I'm enjoying being on land. Okay. Oh, I didn't even show y'all the kind of boat we're on. So that's the kind of boat that we're on. I don't know, it's some kind of sailboat. But it's a fairly big boat, and it's 2 groups. Yeah, so it's 2 groups. Our family and another family is out here. And I've been sanitizing. Every time I touch something, y'all, I've been sanitizing. Left and right, been sanitizing, child. Trying to be safe, but yet have a good time. I see people getting up late. You might be trying to come out here. You out? You about to pass out? I'm about to pass out. Oh my God. Yeah, I feel much better. So, baby, that's a sailboat we was on, right? So, what's some other kind of boats that's out there like that one right there?
I don't know the name of it. It's got an engine on it.
Our boat don't have an engine on it.
But it's made for sail. It's made for the wind. Basically carry.
Oh, so our boat is carried by wind.
Yeah, it's made for the wind to carry.
Oh. It's shaking again. Y'all feel so good. When we first came back,
They were in the water. They were trying to see if they could get another bite.
oh, so is this is saltwater though, right?
Yeah.
So it's a particular fish that they'll have?
I don't know. I don't think it's saltwater fish.
No. All right, y'all. So we about to head and get back on the boat, and I think we got another ride to go to another beach. If I'm not mistaken. I think so. Ooh. You got your shoes?
Thank you.
Y'all all right?
Yeah.
They were just cleaning off the boat?
Disinfecting it.
Huh?
Disinfecting it.
Oh.
What, baby?
Right here behind.
I want a lot of them.
A lot of them?
Yeah, babe. Oh, look at that one. That's so different. Look at
Let me see.
Look at it.
Oh, she got a good bed
Hey,
too.
did you see the hose up there? You can spray the sand off you if you want.
Oh, talking about the black thing?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
This one is different.
in the water.
Yeah, take the bag for me.
That one, I bet that's old. Don't you think so?
Probably so.
Because of this calcification. Oh, man. Oh, that is so unique.
I was
That's
just
so
find out.
unique. Look at that.
Yes, I was just find out.
Geologist would know.
Take a picture and send it to Google.
That would work. That would work.
Whew.
They would definitely know.
You gonna spray your Huh? Oh, I got to go spray myself off then. Yeah. Hold that. That's the move.
Not really. I can't stand
Stand
up.
up and
What's your name?
Sarah. It's rocking.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
oh, so we made another stop at the Light Station Visitor Center, and I didn't even think to pick up the camera and record in there. But it's like a little store that they got sell snacks and stuff like that. Like out of 10. Oh, okay.
people were cooking out.
Carla, have you enjoyed you and your husband enjoyed this?
Oh yes, oh yes, most definitely. Thank y'all for inviting us. It's my vlog now. If I know it's my vlog. If you don't mind, dude. I about to say, I know you don't mind. Yeah, so we have a nice little time.
Hey there, fam and friends. We have had a major blast. You must come and enjoy this sailing. I don't know if Carla showed you the sail part, but yes, it's everything you needed to be and more. Put your life together.
Oh yes, much needed, much needed.
Yes. Relaxation.
Oh yeah.
Rest and relaxation.
Oh yeah.
It's like a pause.
Right. Now this 2020 has been like,
It has. It's thrown the hatchet.
you know what I'm saying? Yes. So this is a good deal. One of the highlights of our summer. Oh yeah.